In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to capture leads by integrating Shopify with Google Sheets. This integration can streamline your workflow by automatically transferring customer data from your Shopify store directly into a Google Sheet, helping you manage your sales leads more efficiently. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to navigate to Zapier, a useful platform that allows you to automate repetitive tasks between two different apps without any programming knowledge. Head over to the Zapier homepage. Once you're there, the next step is to locate and click the Create button. This is where the magic begins, as we set up an automated workflow known as a Zap. Once you've clicked on Create, you'll see an option for Automated Workflows. Click on that, and you'll be directed to a page where you'll configure your Zap. Here you'll need to select the event that will trigger your Zap. Essentially, you're choosing what action, such as a new order in Shopify, will cause the automation to run. Proceed by clicking on Shopify. Once you've selected it, you'll need to specify the event that should trigger your Zap. This might be when a new customer is added or a new order is placed. Choose the event that best suits your needs. This setup will ensure that whenever this event occurs in Shopify, the data moves as intended. After setting the trigger, we'll move on to the action side of the Zap, which will involve Google Sheets. Click on Google Sheets in the Action App section. You'll then be prompted to sign in to your Google account. Make sure you use the account that has access to the Google Sheet where you want your data to appear. Once you've signed in, Zapier will ask for permission to access your Google Sheets. Click Yes, Continue to Google Sheets to grant these permissions. Here's a quick reminder to ensure your browser allows pop-ups from Zapier to simplify this step. Next, you'll be prompted to choose the specific email ID associated with your Google account. This step is crucial as it confirms the account Zapier will interact with. Once you've confirmed your email, you'll be asked to click on Continue to proceed. Before finalizing, Zapier will ask you to select which Google Sheets permissions to grant. It's a good idea to click Select All to ensure full functionality, as this will allow Zapier to create and modify spreadsheet entries. Finally, click Continue to wrap up the authentication process. And there you have it. With these steps completed, you've successfully set up an automated process that captures leads by sending crucial customer information from Shopify directly to a Google Sheet. This integration is not only a huge time saver, but also enhances your data management efficiency. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guided setup helps streamline your business operations. Be sure to hit the subscribe button for more tips and tutorials.